Welcome back, everyone. Got some great, interesting news. The World Bank has issued the bond that relies on blockchain technology. Huge breakthrough, guys. From start to finish, they say, the World Bank has launched a blockchain-only bond. The so-called bond, a blockchain-operated new debit instrument, and perhaps also for Sydney's Bondi Beach, is a 2-year bond that has been arranged by an Australian bank, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, and raised 110 million Australian dollars or 80 million US. The investors included several Australian banks and state treasuries. Very interesting news, breakthrough news for here in Australia and for the rest of the world in what is happening in blockchain and crypto technology. I will lead the resource link so you can go ahead and look at this total article. And what do you guys think? What do you think that who will be the first country to really become crypto in the developed world? Australia or another country? Look forward to hearing your thoughts around this and big, massive changes happening in the cryptocurrency technology this week. Till next time, take care